Hello students, hope you are doing good. In today's class we are starting a new chapter, that is binomial theorem. Before going to the chapter, you have some definitions and formulas. First of all, let us look into the expansion of x plus a whole power n. X plus a whole power n can be written as nc0 x power n a power 0 plus nc1 x power n minus 1 a power 1, nc2 x power n minus 2 a power 2 plus so on ncr x power n minus r a power r. The expansion of x plus a whole power n contains n plus 1 terms in it. This has got n plus 1 terms. Seeing suppose if it has 7, if you have 7 here, then the expansion will have 8 terms. In the expansion, nc0, nc1, nc2 are called binomial coefficients. They are called binomial coefficients. You can also write them as c0, c1, c2 and so on. In the expansion of r plus 1th term is called the general term, and general term tr plus 1 is equal to ncr x power n minus r a power r. The number of terms in the expansion of, you have 3 terms, a plus b plus c whole power n, then the number of terms is n plus 1 into n plus 2 by 2. That is about the introduction to the chapter. Let us discuss some formulas, some problems based on this. Let us discuss the first problem. Expand the following using binomial theorem. First one, 4x plus 5y whole power 7. You have to expand this using binomial theorem. This is nothing but 4x plus 5y whole power 7 is nothing but 7c0 4x power 7 5y whole power 0 plus 7c1 4x power 7 minus 1, that is 6 5y whole power 1 plus 7c2 4x power 7 minus 2, that is 5 5y whole power 2 plus 7c3 4x power 7 minus 3, which is 4 5y whole power 3 7c4 4x whole power 7 minus 4, that is 3 5y whole power 4 plus 7c5 4x whole power 2 5y whole power 5 plus 7c6 4x whole power 7 minus 6, which is 1 5y whole power 6 plus 7c7 4x whole power 7 minus 7 5y whole power 7. This can be written as summation r is equal to 0 to n 0 to 7 7c0 7cr 4x power 7 minus r a power r. This is how you can write this as a power r is, here you have 5y whole power r. That is how you will write this expansion. Let us discuss another example. Second one, 2 by 3x plus 7 by 4y whole power 5. This is what you have to expand. 2 by 3 whole power x plus 7 by 4 whole power 7 by 4 y whole power 5 is equal to 5c0 2 by 3x whole power 5 minus 0 7 by 4 y whole power 0 plus 5c1 2 by 3x whole power 5 minus 1 which is 4 7 by 4y whole power 1 plus 5c2 2 by 3x whole power 5 minus 2 7 by 4y whole power 5 minus 2 is 3 whole power 2 plus 5c3 2 by 3y whole power 5 minus 3 that is 2 7 by 4 y whole power 3 plus 5c4 2 by 3y whole power 5 minus 4 that is 1 7 by 4 y whole power 4 plus 5c5 2 by 3y whole power 0 7 by 4 y whole power 5. This can be written as summation r is equal to 0 to 5 5cr 2 by 3x whole power 5 minus r 7 by 4 y whole power r. This is how you write the expansion as. If you put 0 here, you will get the first term. If you put 1 here, you will get the second term. Likewise, you will get third, fourth and fifth terms in the expansion. Let us discuss the next problem. Write down and simplify first term, first one, sixth term, the expansion of 2x by 3 plus 3y by 2 whole power 9. Solution. Let us consider 2x by 3 plus 3y by 2 whole power 9. T6 is equal to T5 plus 1, that is equal to 5C5, sixth term will be 5C5, 2x by 3, 9C5, sorry, because the term is 9 here, we have 9C5 2x by 3 whole power 9 minus 5 3y by 2 whole power 5. That is 9c5. 2x by 3 whole power 9 minus 5 is 4. 3y by 2 whole power 5, which is nothing but 9c5 is 9 factorial by 9 minus 5 factorial into 5 factorial. Here you can use this 1 1 1 1 2 1 1 3 3 1 1 4 6 4 1 1 5 10 10 5 1 1 6 15 20 15 6 1 1 7 21 35 35 21 7 1 1 8 28 56 70 56 28 8 1 1 9 36 28 plus 56. This is 78 plus 6 84. This is 126 126 84 36 9 1 9c0 9c1 90 92 93 94 9c5 0 1 2 3 4 5. So that is nothing but 126 into 2 power 4 by 3 power 4, so 16 by 3 power 4, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are 81 into 3 power 5, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are 81, 81 into 3, 243 by 32, x power 4, y power 5. X power 4, y power 5 is 243 by 32. 16 ones are 16 twos are 32. 81 ones are 81 threes are 2 into 2 64. So 64 into 3 x power 4 y power 5. 64 into 3 will be how much? 180 192. So that is nothing but 126 only. 64 into 3. 2 6 are 2 3s are 63 into 3, that is 189 x power 4 y power 5. 2 6 are 2 3s are, so you get 63 into 3, which is 189 x power 4 y power 5. That is about this problem. I want you to do another problem. Find 7th term in the expansion of 3x minus 4y whole power 10. You have to find 7th term in the expansion of this. Work it out. Let me do the next one. Third one. Find the 10th term in 3p by 4 minus 5q whole power 14. Now, you have to find the 10th term in this. T10 is equal to T9 plus 1, 14C9, 3p by 4 whole power 14 minus 9 minus 5q whole power 9. This minus will come in minus 5q whole power 9. So here this is nothing but 14C9, 3p by 4 whole power 14 minus 9 is 5 minus 5q whole power 9. 14C9 into 3 by 5 by 4 by 5 into 5 power 9 minus 1 power 9 p power 5 q power 9. 14C9 3 by 3 power 5 by 4 power 5 into 5 power 9, this is minus 1, so you get minus here, p power 5 q power 9. Okay, so you can expand this and write down. If you expand it and write, you will get a number like this. This minus 14C9 is 2002 3 power 5 into 5 power 9 by 4 power 5 p power 5 q power 9. You can leave it here. So that's about this problem. Let us discuss the next problem. Find the number of terms in the expansion of first one 3a by 4 plus b by 2 whole power 9. The number of terms in the above expansion is equal to 9 plus 1, that is equal to 10. The number of terms in the expansion of x plus a whole power n is n plus 1. So here you have 9. So the number of terms will be 9 plus 1, that is 10 terms. Let us discuss another one. Whenever you have 3 terms, this third one, 2x plus 3y plus z whole power 7. Whenever you have 3 terms, the number of terms is equal to n plus 1 into n plus 2 by 2. That is 7 plus 1 into 7 plus 2 by 2, which is 8 into 9 by 2. 2 1 the 2 4 the 4 9 the 36. So this is the problem. There are 36 number of terms in the expansion of 2x plus 3y plus z whole power 7. That's about this session, children. Shall continue in the next session.